Hey everyone. So first thing is first, someone cue the funeral music. This is gonna be a sad video. These are some of the plants that I unfortunately could not save and died. There's been so much going on, and I think for all of us with C19 and a bunch of other stuff. With me, it's been C19. My small business is taking up a lot of my time, and finances, stress, a whole bunch of shit. So these are plants that I got a long time ago, and I've been so careless, and I guess I couldn't keep up with the care of all of my plants, so these did not survive. And I actually tried to bring some of them back to life, and but I think this is the end of the road for a lot of them. First of all, let's start with this one. I actually took a few of the leaves before. If you look back on my videos, I was actually able to propagate. Let me see if I have one of them nearby, because I was actually able to propagate a few of them. Let me see. I don't think I do. And I think two leaves were able to grow babies. Hold on, you guys. Oh shoot, wait a minute, it's right here. Yeah, okay, see this one. Okay, one, but I think this one might not survive. Yeah, I don't think so. Let's see what happens when, yeah. This one, I gave one of them to my mother, and then this one. So let's see if that one will like do something. But I'm going to, I don't know if this is gonna work, you guys, but some of the leaves here, I'm gonna try and see if I can save them. The reason why I'm saying that this one I can't save anymore, because look at this, there's no point. And even if I try to like propagate the stem, it's not strong enough, and it's very brittle. So you see, look at this. So that's, so that's sad. But hopefully the one leaf, because I have one and I give one to my mother, I'm able to maybe save that one, and hopefully it will grow. Let's look at this one. This one, the small one, let me move this back. This one here, you guys, I purchased this one on a whim from this guy that sells flowers near where I live, and I was just going to get flowers for my product pictures, and I saw this one and I purchased it. When I purchased it, it was so tiny. I've made videos of this one, and it started growing and it started growing, and actually it started growing long. So what I did was actually cut it in half, and I was able to propagate the stem. The stem produced, I think it was 3 babies, and then I was able to put this one in soil, and then it kept growing. This one kept growing longer even after I cut it. I cut it right here. It grew, the roots. I put it in here, and as you can see, look at this, it kept growing longer, and it just did not keep growing anything else around here. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. I'm gonna see if I can save one of these leaves and propagate them. This one, let me see if I have it nearby, because this one I was able to take some leaves from it before and propagate. No, I don't have it anywhere near, but yeah, I was able to propagate this one with the leaves. But yeah, I don't think this is salvageable anymore, even though it's green right here, the roots. I tried to propagate them in water again, and it just will not grow new roots. So I think I'm gonna have to let this one go as well. My Dusty Miller, this one was not gonna make the video today, but I was checking my other plants, and I realized that when I was watering and I was trying to pick up these on the right here on the bottom, look what happened. I pulled this by mistake, and it just came out like ugh. Look at this. And it was growing so many. And then when I touch it, it's like very brittle and like, look, you see? So a lot of the roots are brown and brittle, so that's very sad because I really thought this one was gonna keep growing a bunch at the bottom. I'm not too sad about this one because I didn't realize when I purchased this one that this is toxic to animals, especially to dogs. Even though my dog does not go anywhere near my plants, so, but still, I'm not too sad that this one is dead. But I am kind of sad because I really wanted to like see if I can, look at this, it just comes off easily. I wanted to see if I could propagate some of these, but I don't know. I think this is over and done with. And then the stem itself, it's so brittle. It's, yeah. And ooh, finally, this one I'm really heartbroken about. This one, a bromeliad. This one has been with me for so long. Oh, you guys, oh my gosh, I was able to propagate some babies from it. I gave one baby to my mother. I'm not sure if she still has it, but this, look at this, look at this. And then this one came out, look at this. So that's not gonna work. Even if I try to take this baby out, it's not gonna, because you see, let me see if you guys can see this right here, it's brown. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Look how easy it is to take out. And this is very, you know what, and I wasn't even, because I know the watering schedule for this one, I wasn't watering it that much. I think my mistake was maybe the container or something, but there's no point because look at this, look at the, you see? And I'm not even gonna try because I actually propagated another one a few months ago for myself, another baby, and that one was healthy and it did not survive, you guys. It just did not survive, and it was really tall. And I thought, oh, it's ready. I propagated it. I put it in new soil. It started to grow roots, and then it just stopped. It's completely stopped. So I'm not even gonna try to do that with these. I'll try again. Yeah. So this is really sad because I think this bromeliad, actually my mother purchased it for me like a while ago. I think it was 2 years ago, you guys, and it was really small and it started growing more leaves and it was red in the middle as well. So yeah, this one has been with me for a while. So, but I do have another video coming out, you guys, with a plant haul, and I actually did get a new bromeliad, so let's see what happens with that one, except that this type is different, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to do more research with this one, but yeah. So this is a very sad occasion. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've killed any plants like I have. Do you have any of these plants in your home? What do you do to make sure that you are paying enough attention, unlike me? And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.